We are going to learn simple present statements, negatives, adverbs, adverbs of frequency, preposition of time, likewise. Here we are going to learn, we are going to repeat. Join us for the complete course. Here in the learning method we are going to exercise and try. In the repeat method we are going to practice the vocabulary. You can mail us at english@square.net.in. Here I am going to tell you some words: read, eat, sleep, go, work, write, sleep, see, say, come, care, do, have, meet, wait, call, join, close, say, taste, try. In this, read becomes reads for the third person singular, that is he, she, it, in the simple present. Let's go and learn more examples. Repeated actions, facts or generalizations, scheduled events in the near future, now are non-continuous verbs. All are comes under simple present. Okay, repeated actions like timetable, facts or generalizations, scheduled events in the near future now are non-continuous verbs. All are comes under simple present. See, she, he, it, as will be there. For he, she, it, does will be there. For he, she, it, again it will be there. Eats. So have becomes has for this. Do becomes does. Eat becomes eat. Cook becomes cooks. Listen becomes listens. Run becomes runs. Call calls. Work works. Likewise, it is going to work on simple present third person singular. For complete course you have to mail us and you can contact us. Statements: you like playing with your computer. She teaches history. He works in a shop. I want to help you. She likes to get up early. See, I am giving some statements examples. You like playing with your computer. She teaches history. He works in a shop. I want to help you. She likes to get up early. Okay, so I'm going to make a sentence like this: you like playing with your computer. She teaches history. He works in a shop. I want to help you. She likes to get up early. Likewise, you can break the larger sentence into smaller to smaller. Here, I work, we like, you do, they have. I like, I do, I have. We work, we like, we do, we have. You work, you like, you do, you have. They work, they like, they do, they have. So next, whatever you want, you can continue. I work in a factory. Likewise, you can continue the sentence. Likewise, for he, she, it comes with the yes, verb plus yes. He works, he likes, he does, he has. She works, she likes, she does, she has. It works, it likes, it does, it has. So suppose if you want to continue the sentence like this: he works for corporate company. She likes ice cream. It has 4 legs. Like that. So this is the basic thing you are going to frame, and remaining things you can continue as it is. So all this comes under simple present. Here I am going to discuss with singular and the plural, or else we can tell this as first person, second person, third person table. See, like this: I walk. For I, we is the plural, we walk. For second person, you is the second person, you is also second person. For singular and plural, you is common, so walk. For she walks, it, he walks, it walks. For plural again, only walk. So you should be very familiar with this table. Simple present. So I am going to tell first person I walk. Same in the plural, we walk. Second person, you walk. Second person plural, you walk. Third person singular, she walks, he walks, it walks. Third person plural, they walk. So now I am going to replace walk with read. I read, we read, you read, she reads, he reads, it reads. Again they comes under they read. Okay. Next, for the negatives, to make the negatives, I do not eat, I do not run, I do not look, I do not work. Like that, same we do not, you do not, they do not. For he, she, it comes doesn't. He doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't. Continues. He doesn't eat, he doesn't like, he doesn't have, he doesn't do, play. She doesn't like, she doesn't do, she doesn't play, like that. So this remains, verb remains same. This do becomes does. See the difference? Do becomes does for he, she, it. Join us for the complete course. We have colorful presentations, complete syllabus, completely online, daily 365 days. Negatives, I am giving some statements with the negatives. We don't go to school. They don't come on Mondays. You don't walk fast. We don't have lunch at home. See, these are all plural. So we use don't. These are the statements. So we made it negatives using don't. Using don't, we made it as negatives. Study and practice the following texts. Every day I sit in the park, I read the newspaper, I play cards, I eat my lunch, I listen to the radio, I am not a busy person. Likewise, you can continue. Break the sentences and make it easy. Every day I sit in the park, I read the newspaper, I play cards, I eat my lunch, I listen to the radio, I am not a busy person. Likewise. So same, one more para. Here same thing, we have introduced do not know, same one with the same concept. I do not, we do not, you do not, they do not, and the main verb. Main verb will be like run, like, eat, sit, like this. So you want to learn more, you can join us. For she, he, it means doesn't. She doesn't, he doesn't, it doesn't. Main verb, eat, cook, sleep, go. So I'll make some example. She doesn't eat, she doesn't cook, he doesn't sleep, he doesn't go, it doesn't eat, it doesn't work. See, one machine is working, not working, so we call it as it doesn't work. She never cooks, so I tell it as she doesn't cook. So I am telling him to go, he is not going. So finally we decided that he doesn't go. Like this, by keeping these table, you can make more sentences, you can practice your own. So I'm showing both the tables now. I, we, you, they, do not. He, she, it, doesn't. Main verb like run, eat, go, work will be main. So next I'm going to give some examples. I finish work at 7. I finish work at 7. He comes, then finish becomes finishes work at 7. My son apostrophe s. My son go to a music class. My son go to a music class. His daughter goes, GOES, goes to a music class. His daughter means she. I teach Kannada. Deepak teaches Kannada. Teach becomes teaches, because Deepak means, when we tell the name, we consider as he. They call us sometimes. She calls us sometimes. So see the difference here. Finish, finishes. Go, goes. Teach, teaches. Call, calls. So change the sentences as in the previous examples. I see Ravi yesterday. You know him. I love music. I like boxing. Likewise, you have to tell about the Karuna. You have to tell about Jaya. You have to tell about Anaga. You have to tell about she. So we will give you examples in the regular classes. You have to try so that you confirm that you know this. So for complete courses, you can mail us english@square.net.in and you can join us. So it's a regular and it's 365 days in a year. Days of the week. See, I'm going to tell my timetable. That is, Monday I swim in the pool. Tuesday I go to the gym and then I go to the dance class. Tuesday I ride my bicycle in the streets. The Thursday I stay at home and relax. Friday I play tennis or football with friends. Sunday or Saturday or Sunday. So we can consider this as weekend. I usually go to a picnic. See, my name is Mahesh. I live in south of Jayanagar. I'm very active. My week is very busy. Monday I swim in the pool. Tuesday I go to the gym and then I go to the dance class. Wednesday I ride my bicycle in the streets. Thursday I stay at home and relax. Friday I play tennis or football with the friends. Saturday and Sunday I usually go to picnic. Try your own. At least speak 5 times. What do you do in all the weekdays? So you list it out and speak loudly for 5 times. Let your tongue practice speaking. So this is about the friend and the mother and the father. Now adverbs of frequency: usually, often, sometimes, rarely or seldom, occasionally, we are going to learn. See, this is always means we can consider 100%. So I always go to gym. So never it means I never smoke. I rarely drink wine. I frequently go to city. So likewise, so you can consider like this. So whatever you do not do, this comes under never. Whatever you do always comes under always. Some frequently, sometimes, usually. You do most of the things, but sometimes you miss, that comes under usually. Okay. Likewise, we can practice these things in our complete course. I drink a glass of milk in the morning. Put the adverbs in the correct place. So I should use always. So always come after I. I always drink a glass of milk in the morning. I always. So then drink a glass of milk in the morning. Often. So often I am going to add it here. They often are late for school. She seldom eats in a restaurant. Likewise, we can use adverbs of frequency often. Usually, so after we should use usually. They usually are at home in the evenings. Sometimes I sometimes stay in bed until lunchtime. You never clean the teeth. You never clean your teeth. So you after never will come. So likewise you are going to practice all the adverbs of frequency.